right now I'm scrolling with the Apple Pencil and it's scrollable. But if I want to use, let's say, the Apple Pencil self-writing, like writing with the Apple Pencil, it's not working. It's just scrolling again and again. So I thought something wrong. I'm not able to figure out. But the thing is, it's not your fault. It's not the Apple Pencil's fault. It's just the functionality. Yes, you're still able to write with the Apple Pencil, just not where the text is. So that is something that the iOS has not developed yet, I believe. So if you notice, you see this yellow line, which I never knew why. Below this yellow line is where you're able to scribble manually. But if you go above this yellow line, that's when you cannot use your Apple Pencil. So all these times I always wondered, why did I have this yellow line? This yellow line, if you notice, I'm going upwards right now. I'm going in this direction. But as soon as I go above that yellow line, I'm not able to, because it's just a functionality that's built like this. So if you really want to write with your Apple Pencil, sadly, you have to do it below wherever the text is not there. And in case, here's another trick, if you really do want to write in between those notes, so what you can do is, let's say, this is my iOS development notes, by the way. So let's say you want to write somewhere here. So you get the empty space, you click once with your Apple Pencil, and you click on the insert drawing. So this will give you a guideline on where you can use your Apple Pencil manually to scribble. So if you notice over here, I am able to scribble just between those yellow lines. So that's how, if you really want to draw within those texts, then you can. You just go down, you click with your Apple Pencil once, you insert drawing, and if you want to do freeway all the way, then wherever the text stops in the end, then there's no limit below that. There's no really bottom yellow line anymore because there's no text below it. So that's all, and I hope this helped.
Hey guys, it's Janice. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some must-have iPad note-taking accessories. It's also an excuse to show off some cute things that I recently got, so let's get started. The first accessory is an Apple Pencil sleeve that was kindly sent to me from Elago. The reason why I like it so much is because it looks like a traditional pencil with an eraser on top. I always recommend sleeves for anyone getting into iPad note-taking because it helps with pencil grip and it also helps you write more neatly. This particular one is really comfortable to hold for long periods of time. It also comes in quite a few colors, and I have 3 of them, a yellow, white, and dark gray. They match pretty much any iPad case you're going to use. With these Apple Pencil sleeves, the magnetic storage and charging still work. You can also use the double tap feature when you're note-taking to easily switch between your tools. I've been getting so many questions about these sleeves on my Instagram, so here it is. I'll leave the links in the box below. The next accessory is an Apple Pencil holder from Go Uppercase. If you don't like storing your Apple Pencil on your iPad or have nowhere else to put them, these are really great accessories to use because you can just put your Apple Pencil in and they keep it in place with the silicone material. It also fits your Apple Pencil if you have a sleeve on it. Not to mention, they are super sturdy and have good weight to them, so your Apple Pencil won't fall over when you're storing it in these. When you're not using them, they still make really cute accessories on your desk, and they also work great as paper holders. Next is this new iPad folio case that I got on Amazon because they finally have the light blue color in stock, which matches my aesthetic. Choosing the right case is important to me because you want your iPad to be protected on all 4 corners, which is why I never purchased the Apple branded cases since they don't actually protect the corners. One thing that is really good about these cases for note-taking is that you can stand it up at a very slight angle for when you're reading and annotating textbooks or taking notes. If you visit the link in the box below, you'll see that they also have a bunch of other cute colors like baby pink and matcha green. I just think it's really cute and it makes me want to use my iPad more. Plus, it matches the July sky wallpaper that I recently released on my website. The last must-have accessory is a paper-like matte screen protector. This one is a no-brainer for me since I use the iPad to write and plan, and I have come to appreciate how much better it makes my handwriting and just my Apple Pencil control in general. Other than the papery writing sound that it offers, I also like it for reducing eye strain and glare on the iPad, especially when working in sunlight or at night. It certainly makes both dark and white paper easier to see and work with. Obviously, depending on how hard you write, you may experience some wearing of the tip as with any matte screen protector, but because I write fairly lightly, I haven't experienced that at all, and I've had the same Apple Pencil tip on since the beginning of my time with the iPad Pro. I will have a link down below in the box if you want to check this out as well. So these are pretty much my essentials. You don't need a lot for a great iPad note-taking experience, but I think these are mainly the basics for any beginner heading into digital note-taking. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave